Starting now, I'm in our beach, Taboylan. In Taboylan, there's a lot of food, seafood, and land food. I am doing now survival without eating in the restaurant, without going to our house, without doing some asking food. Now I'm here to make my own food, to make my own survival, and to make my shelter. That will be my shelter. Shelter. Okay, let's start. I'm now looking for some woods for the night. Now is 12 o'clock. Okay, let's find some woods. That's langkay. Langkay is very flammable. You put you put some you put some fire, then it will fire and it will never be off. Let's get that later. A lot of them, very many of them. Look, chicken. That will be our dinner to later. That will be our dinner later. So now I will get some small woods to prevent our fire. To make our fire, sorry. Okay, I'll speak it in English, okay? Karon, nagkuhan ko mga kahoy para sa unya na akong kayo. Paghimuon ko para sa akong panihapon. Karon, ako nang sugdan ang pagkuha og mga kahoy. Kana na akong nahimo nga kahoy. Ako nang dadon unya sa baybay. Na, ngadto na ta sa baybay. So hot na, so hot. Very hot. There will be my shelter later. Or could be there. Shelter could be there. Okay? So now I'm gonna pack some wood. So I'll say I lived